This video is going to be short and it will teach you how to create a chart. Suppose you are given these and these averages and you're required to create a chart using them. The first thing you want to do is to click insert, come here, 2D. You can either choose between 2D, 3D, 2D bar, etc. But now we want to create a 2D column. Hold, then select your data. This is your data, select it. Okay, then come to your horizontal axis, labels, edit, then you select your data, which is this ones. Click OK, then OK. This is your table or your chart. You can label the axis, data labels. It will show you the data labels here. The trend line, legend, error bars, data label, etc. Now let's label our axis. Let's start with our x-axis. So our x-axis, which is these apartments, residential, hotel, townhouses, you can name them development type, develop type. Then your y-axis, you can name it average. You can change your chart title as well. Let's name it development type versus averages. This is averages. Press enter. This is your chart. Thanks for watching, guys.